नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहिए। दिस इज JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the module Index Numbers. This module is a part of the course Quantitative and Statistical Techniques, and in the various programs of the universities like MBA, BBA and BCom, MCom and agriculture courses and various SBT courses, and also in the coursework of the PhD. First we discuss about the topic of index numbers. The value of money does not remain constant over time. It rises or falls and is inversely related to the changes in the price level. A rise in the price level means a fall in the value of money, and a fall in the price level means a rise in the value of money. Thus, changes in the value of money are reflected by the changes in the general level of prices over a period of time. Changes in the general level of prices can be measured by a statistical devices known as index number. Index number is a technique of measuring changes in a variable or group of variables with respect to time, geographical location or other characteristics. There can be various types of index numbers, but in the present context we are concerned with price index numbers, which measures changes in the general price level or in the value of money over a certain period of time. Price index number indicates the average of changes in the price of representative commodities at one time in comparison with that at some other time taken as the base period. According to L.B. Lester, an index number of price is a figure which shows the height of average prices at one time related to their height at some other time which is taken as the base period. Features of index numbers. First, index numbers are a special type of average, whereas mean, median and mode measures the absolute changes and are used to compare only those series which are expressed in the same units. The techniques of index numbers is used to measure the relative changes in the level of phenomenon, where the measurement of absolute changes is not possible, and the series are expressed in different types of items. Second, index numbers are meant to study the changes in the effects of such factors which cannot be measured directly. For example, the general price level is an imaginary concept and is not capable of direct measurement. But through the technique of index numbers, it is possible to have an idea of relative changes in the general level of prices by measuring relative changes in the price level of different commodities. Third point, the technique of index numbers measure the changes in one variable or group of related variables. For example, one variable can be the price of wheat, and group of variables can be the price of sugar, the price of milk and the price of rice. Fourth point of the feature is the technique of index number is used to compare the levels of a phenomenon on a certain day with its level on the on some previous date, for example the price level in 1980 as compared to that in 1960, taken as the base year, or the levels of a phenomenon at different places on the same date. Steps or problems in the construction of price index numbers. First, selection of base year. Second point is selection of commodities. In selecting items, the following points are to be kept always in mind. First, the items should be representative of the taste, habits and the customs of the people. Second, items should be recognizable. Third point is items should be stable in quality over the different periods and places. D point is the economic and the social importance of various items should be considered. Next point is the item should be fairly large in number. And the point F is all those varieties of a commodity which are in common use and are stable in character should be included. Third point is collection of prices. From where the prices to be collected, where to choose wholesale price or the retail prices, and whether to include taxes in the prices or not, etc. So these are the points of collection of prices. And fourth point is selection of average, and the fifth point is selection of weights. So these are the various points of the steps or the problems in construction of price index numbers. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. With this, I conclude my today's session. Thank you.